Chloe.
here in Big Beach,
Up.
and we've had so many accommodations already. I'm really blessed to be part of this group because you feel the warmth. It kind of reminds me of Ifugao.
We are now here in the Catholic Church of St. Ignatius Parish Church. It was done 400 years ago, more than 400 years ago in the 18th century. So titignan po natin siya ngayon. We are here at Torre del Capo. It was constructed in 1893 and was completed by the Americans in 1896. And the Japanese people